At some point in your life, you want to start investing your money. Whether you are a student or a working professional, at some point in your life, you want to multiply your income through investing in a financial instrument. One such instrument is called as IPO. Welcome to Katosh Tubes. I'm your host Paras, and in today's video, I will talk about what is IPO and how you can invest in an IPO. So what is an IPO? IPO stands for Initial Public Offerings. It is a process when a privately held company goes public. Just like you have TCS, MRF and many other famous companies goes public, they launch through an IPO. So now why you should invest in an IPO? Investing in IPO is a good way to increase your income if the company has a strong financial background and a strong leadership. It will gradually multiply your money over time. A time period can last from 5 years to 10 years or more. So you should be patient enough to invest in an IPO and watch it grow. Now how you can invest in an IPO. So in this video I will explain how you can invest in an IPO by taking an example of a brokerage through Zerodha in which I have my account. I will take you through this step-by-step process, and at the end of it you will know how to invest in an IPO. So let's jump right in and get an IPO for you. So I am inside the Kite website. You can see here kite.zerodha.com, and in that you need to go to the console section, which is right here. Under my profile you can see here console, and once I click it, so once you enter the console section, you need to go to this portfolio and click on it, and you can see the IPOs option here. Click on IPOs, and in that you can see the IPO currently live. It is Burger King, which is right here. And if you want to check the other IPOs, the upcoming IPOs, you can click on this particular link, check upcoming IPOs. So it's giving you the list of all the IPOs which are on the way, and these are the closed one. These are the upcoming IPOs. So coming back, so you can check the status of this particular IPO by clicking the status. So you can see here the offer has already been started for the IPO. The IPO window is open from 2nd to 4th, and then the following process will continue. Then click on bid. So in the bid part, the left hand side are all the details about the IPO. Minimum lot size that you must purchase for this particular IPO. So 250 shares is the minimum quantity that you need to purchase, and it is valued around 59 to 60 rupees. So if you want to invest in this IPO, you need to purchase a minimum of 250 shares at this issue price. So your bank account which is linked to your Zerodha account should be same in which this IPO will redirect to. You can see here there are a lot of options. So for me I will have UPI. So it's verified already. As an individual, I am a retail investor. So I will click this individual investor. So if you are an corporate, you will have different options. So quantity I need to enter as 250. So the cutoff price is the maximum price that I am willing to pay to enter in this IPO. So you can set it or you can just leave it. For me, if I click on it, I will set it at 60 rupees, which is its issue price, and I click on this condition which says I hereby undertake that I have read the conditions and I am eligible UPI bidder as per the applicable provision of SEBI, which is Security and Exchange Board of India. Click on submit, and you can see their amount I need to pay 15,000 rupees to be eligible for this IPO. I submit it. Okay, you can see here the IPO application has been submitted. The UPI collect request from the bank might be delayed, or you can check your UPI app and you will see the request of this particular IPO, and then you can accept it. The amount will get deducted and it will be under process. So by 9th, your shares will be allotted for the finalization, and if something goes wrong, something doesn't fit well, or your IPO bidding is cancelled, you will get a refund on this refund initiation by 10th of this particular month. And then if you are successful, you will get your shares credited in your demat account by 11th. So every day the whole process step by step with date is listed. So you don't need to worry, you don't need to panic. Contact Zerodha if you face any problem, and that's how easy or how simple you can build and get